guys, and we are gonna record some trains in a playground in Stonecross. So here we go. Whoa, here comes one. Whoa, one is coming. Whoa, that was crazy. I almost missed it. Whoa, I almost missed both trains, Southern and Gatwick Express. That was insane, man. I almost missed both of these. Whoa, that's cool. Well, I can see 3 birds. And yeah, the Gatwick Express was very simple and Southern. Yeah, that was very cool. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe and link the bell to the channel. Subscribe.